what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Who is LouieXIII. I am Louie. Right now we're on our way to meet up with the boys. We're going to a little car meet in Ventura, California. We'll see what's good over there. Should be pretty fun. Might get a couple runs in, you never know. So, you know, we'll see what happens with it, man. Should be a good time. Yeah, safe to say she's ready. But you know, we're rolling bone stock, so we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what we run into. But yeah, man, like I said, it should be dope. We're about to go meet up with the guys right now, go fill up a little bit. We got about an hour and a half drive. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below and tell me your thoughts. Also, if you guys really fuck with me, please do me a huge favor and don't skip those ads. It really helps me tremendously and I appreciate it greatly. If you're interested in any of the equipment, any of the products that I use for my car, for, you know, vlogging, all that stuff, all the links are in the description. And if you guys purchase through those links, I do receive a percentage. So if you guys are in the market for any of that stuff, hit that link and it's all right there for you. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Out here waiting to head out. We got a young Crisp up in here. What's this shit got to the wheel, Crisp? Like 600?
Yeah, just about, you know.
Just about.
It's pretty quick, you know.
That's
got
right.
my pants right there in case I need to change them because it's so fast.
There you go. Shit, you got a couple, huh? Just in case you shit yourself because you're going too goddamn fast.
Exactly.
That's right, I see it. How you doing, bro?
Good, how about you?
Good, bro. Got Franco right here. You see his whip back there. How could you miss it? How could you miss it? Juan, what's good though? Got Ed's whip right here. Yeah, we out here, man. Just waiting on Manny and A-Rod.
Yeah.
And then we about to head out. See what's good out there. Maybe get a couple runs in. Who knows? We all here now. I think we're ready to head out. What up, G?
Hey guys, chilling or what?
Yes, sir. Young Manny right here in the building.
We're gonna go fuck shit up in fucking Oxnard, Ventura.
That's right.
Know.
Already.
Fuck it.
So we out of here, guys. About to go see what's good in Ventura and maybe Oxnard. Probably get a couple runs in. From what Ed was telling me, they got some crews out there that, I mean, apparently you can't even get in the crew if you're less than 700 horsepower. So, you know, I'm way out of that crew. But, you know, I'm gonna get whatever I can, you know, for the content. You know, I gotta do what I gotta do. So we'll see what happens. I know Ed's up there with that, so he'll probably get one in with one of those guys. I don't know. We'll see if there's a good matchup for me out there. And even if there's not, man, I'm down to do whatever. You know, you guys know I don't give a damn about my record or whatever. I'm just out here trying to have fun, trying to have a good time, and get this good content for you guys. So we're gonna see what happens, man. Obviously the sun's going down and all that, so it's gonna be a nighttime vlog. My first one that I've done so far, I believe. I don't think I've done one yet. So we're gonna see what happens, man. It should be a dope night. Should be some good content. Ed said that they go crazy out there, so we about to see what's good, man. But once we get a little closer, or whenever the action picks up, I'll pick the camera back up and we'll get right to it. You already know how we do it, baby. I can smell it. I don't really know what E85 smells like, but I'm pretty sure that's what I'm smelling right now. Yeah, I'm good. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm smelling is that E85 right now, man. That shit smells strong. Oh look, there's a Tesla. He didn't want to get it in, man. rolling up to the meet now.
That's what she said.
She was good with it. We out here just got to the meet, the first meet, the first spot.
Yeah, because the meet that we're gonna go to after this, the one in Oxnard, is like a.
Look at this RX-7 though.
That shit's clean. I like those wheels right there. Oh, that shit's hard right there. Damn, that shit's low as hell too. Think he has bags in there? Yeah, huh? I like that Beamer right there. That shit's hard. Oh, got the Franco calipers on the whip. That's cool, bro. I like that color. Oh, the blue tips. Got the old school whips out here. Sheesh. Check this shit out, bro. That's crazy. All the way to the ground with the wheels out.
Oh shit, Skyline?
Where? Oh shit, we got the Fast and the Furious in this bitch.
Huh? Oh, it's an S14. Oh shit, it looked like a Skyline to me for a second. So each year they came out, they came with the S. This is the S13.
The S13. Yeah, that is a Oh, that's my number too, the S13.
What?
No, is it? I ain't never seen a track hawk in person. We got the track hawk in the building. There you go, Ed. That's your run right there, the track hawk.
I'm a dig. He said a good run.
I'm a dig.
All right. We're going to time and see how quick the crowd comes.
We're gonna put some timing right now.
Damn, she's not even waving.
There it is.
Oh, do you hear him talking about right now?
Hey, what's your IG, Ed?
Cash Cavadon.
Cash Cavadon. Go follow him. You guys probably can't spell that, but I'll put it in the description. The SS. I want to run an SS, bro. Dude, I was getting bathed in fucking E85 on the way over here, dude.
Yeah? Oh, you smelled it?
Yeah, that's all I could smell. I probably smell like it. I tried to hop in on your guys' run over there, dude.
Oh yeah, fucking. Hey, we hit a bump and low-key that was kind of sketch.
Yeah, me and him hit a
That big ass bump?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys hit
and then
that
after
shit?
that bump, I got
After
off
that,
back on
we
it.
fucking-
But
Damn. Look at the hips. Dang. Oh shit, you already know what it is. See the little badge on the side. Carbon fiber intake.
But you're like so
It's the oil catch can right there or what?
I don't even know. It looks
Big
like
ass
it.
one.
Yeah. That shit's fully, bro. That shit's small.
Pulley right there. It's the first time I've seen one in person. What up, man? This your whip right here?
yeah, it is.
That's dope, man.
You might have a close in it.
No, go ahead. It's just your whip, man. Do what you want. Off to spot number 2. Catch you guys in a minute. That was pretty quick. It was like a 5-minute little trip. And damn, it is lit over here, bro. It's packed as hell. I already seen a cop patrolling, going through the lanes and all that. But goddamn, there's a lot of people over here, so we're about to see what happens, man. At the spot 2, and this one is lit. Cops are out here too, like crazy. Got the M right there. Track hawk from the last spot. That's a competition too. Scooby-Doo, Cheech Chong. Got all the Mopars right here with the lights. Look at this one. Damn, that's a crazy wrap. Splitter. Damn, got the Gorilla. Oh shit, got the bullets. Diffuser back there. Got the wicker. Boogie Kong's following.
Is it Campbell? twins?
It looks like the mammoth one.
Yeah, it does.
Kind of shit. Alright, headed out to the next spot to see what's good. Alright guys, so after that meet, we went to another spot and I dropped a video already, you know, and you can see a little bit of what happened. I ran a Q50. So go check that out if you haven't seen it. But what happened is we went to another spot after that and we decided who was gonna run who, and then we ran out to Mexico. And while we were in Mexico, you know, after a few runs happened, Franco and A-Rod were about to get one in from a dig, right? And, you know, I'm gonna let the footage speak for itself. You guys check it out right now, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Franco _ S550, go follow him. A-Rod the truth right here. Let's go follow him.
I mean, they pull over there. It's not like right here. Oh, right. This one is.
Who needs a drag strip, right? Fuck it. There it is right here, look.
No.
Oh fuck, I heard that shit too.
Oh. I was just trying to fucking spin him a little bit.
It's the whole tranny, every gear?
Damn, I heard that shit too.
There's nothing on the floor? No? Nothing on the floor? No liquids or anything?
No, it just sounded like when he was revving it up. He revved up and it sounded like a pot. This doesn't go into anything. It was like a loud bang. Did you guys hear it?
Yeah, I heard that shit.
I think you're low on wiper fluid. Probably. Where's your tranny dipstick?
Doesn't have one.
Oh yeah.
That shit's hot.
Stupid ass.
There's no liquids. There's nothing on the floor.
It's right here.
Popping right here. You can feel it?
Yeah. It's
So
popping right here, fool. Yeah?
Yeah, it's his axle then. That's an easy fix. I could do that.
That's cool.
I could do that.
Content.
Barely. Got him. Alright, so there it is, guys. As you saw, Franco was trying to warm up his tires a little bit, and you know, you hear that little pop. There's a little pop in there, and I don't know, at first we didn't know if it was the tranny or the clutch or what it was, but I guess it ended up being the rear axle, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, man, it wouldn't move. We tried pushing it and, you know, trying to get it going, but it wouldn't go. And so eventually we had to get it towed. Luckily he was able to get it to a spot there in town, so, you know, took a while. We were there for, man, till like 2:30 or something. We had a 2-hour drive back, so everybody was tired, starving. It started raining. So yeah, man, safe to say, good trip gone bad, but you know, it could have been worse. It was still a great time nonetheless. As I said, we got plenty of runs from that trip. I already put up the one I ran a Q50. That's already up, so go check that out. We got Ed in the Pro Charged Mustang GT Coyote. He ran a BMW, forgot what type of BMW it was, but I think it had a supercharger in it, or it had some type of mod, and it was fucking crazy quick, man. That was a close run. We got that coming up. We got A-Rod, he ran his modified Mustang Cali Special. against the Nissan 370Z with nitrous. And we got my boy Manny, he ran the GT350, and that was a pretty controversial one, so you guys want to stay tuned for that. We're gonna drop that one pretty soon, and that one was actually for money, so yeah, we got a lot to talk about when it comes to that one. So we got quite a few more coming up from that one, and you know, we got some big things on the way, people. I just made some big moves, so you know, we got a lot of mods coming, as I've been saying, but this week for sure we got a few coming. I already ordered some, so some stuff is on the way. We're gonna get some more stuff ordered this week. So yeah, man, a whole lot of stuff coming. We got some more runs coming up that I'm scheduling. You know, we getting it done against some SCATPACK, some narrow body. You guys want to see the narrow body versus the wide body, see which one performs better. We're gonna get that in. We got some reviews coming. We got a whole lot of stuff coming, so stay tuned, people. And as I always say, if you enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment down below. Tell me your thoughts, tell me what you guys want to see and what you guys want to talk about, and we're gonna get right to it. And if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use, all links are in the description. If you're in the market, purchase through that link and help your boy out. I appreciate it greatly. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. Catch you guys on the next one.